situated on a cliff above the Berounka River about 30 kilometers from Prague. This originally Gothic royal hunting castle was rebuilt into a Baroque chateau in the 18th century. After its reconstruction, it became the seat of the Celtic Culture Information Center, where you can learn more about Celtic life. Even if you aren't very interested in history, this place is still worth visiting. It offers a stunning view of the landscapes and is perfect for a walk.
Located in a picturesque place in the village of Bitov, 25 kilometers northwest of Znojmo, Bitov Castle is one of the oldest and largest Moravian castles. It was built in the 11th century and played an important role in guarding the southern borders of the Czech lands. The fortress was rebuilt many times and got its current appearance in the 19th century. It's famous for its biggest collection of 51 stuffed dogs of various breeds in the world.
Švaklad Castle is one of the oldest and most visited castles in the Czech Republic. Founded in the 12th century, it was destroyed by fire and rebuilt several times, and was used as a hunting castle, a royal residence, and later as a prison. The future emperor, Charles IV, was essentially imprisoned here when he was 3 years old. You can take a guided tour or just walk in the valley. The views are breathtaking, especially in summer.
Orlik Castle takes its name from the Czech word orel, which means an eagle, and resembles an eagle nest located high on a rock above the valley of the Vltava River. It was built in the 13th century, but gained its current appearance in the 19th century, when it belonged to the Schwarzenbergs. By the way, they own the castle until now. Orlik is surrounded by a gorgeous English park, so it's a pleasure to walk around there.
Zvikov Castle, often called the King of Czech Castles, was first mentioned in 1234 and is located above the confluence of the Vltava and Otava rivers. Its fortifications were so strong that even the Hussites, during the Hussite Wars, found it a tough nut to crack and failed to take it. Thanks to its specific location, Zvikov can offer stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Karlstein Castle was founded in 1348 by Charles IV as his private residence and a place of safekeeping royal treasures, especially his collections of holy relics and the imperial regalia. The coronation jewels were kept there for almost 200 years and were later brought to Prague. It's located about 30 kilometers southwest of the Czech capital and is one of the most visited castles in the Czech Republic. The castle itself looks awesome and the scenery is beautiful.
Hluboká Castle is considered to be one of the most beautiful castles in the Czech Republic. In 2019, it was the third most visited castle in the country. It's situated in Hluboké nad Vltavou, about 145 kilometers south of Prague. Hluboká was built in the 13th century, and throughout its history, it was rebuilt several times. It's got the present look in the 19th century, when its owner, Johann Adolf II von Schwarzenberg, decided to reconstruct the castle in style of Windsor Castle in Britain. It's a must-see chateau which looks even more grandiose and impressive live. The castle is surrounded by a huge English park with rare species of trees, so it's a wonderful place to wander around.